This poem is written in memory of a special friend who shared part of my life. She was just a tiny puppy the day I brought her home to the kids and my wife. We were in the woods, the fields, and on the river when the cold winds blew. We were under the autumn sky, and we were in the early morning dew. For 9 years, she was a companion who was at my side, and I will never forget the look in her eyes the day that she died. Because she knew we would never again hunt the woodcock, the duck, or the dove, and I knew she didn't want to leave her master whom she loved. Princess, I will miss you in the morning by my bedside where you laid, but I will never forget the memories, all the memories that we made. And when I see a dove streak across the sky, I will think of you. I'll remember your watchful eyes, and the sky won't seem as blue. I shall never forget you, my friend, for you will always be missed. This is written in remembrance of you. Farewell, my special princess.